Ellarkum vanakkam. Hearty welcome to fans, audiences, entire star cast of Toxic team, technicians, media, social media, and everybody. I want to begin thanking the administration, Chennai Police, and everybody for making this event happen smoothly. Before I begin, Modala, let me start with Jananayagan. Thank you so much for all the love and making Jananayagan a phenomenal success. Thanks to people of Tamil Nadu. Thanks to Vijay sir fans. Thanks to Vijay sir fans across the country, across the world. Thank you for standing by KVN Productions during challenging times. I'm grateful to all of you. I'll always remember this. Vijay sir said one last time on screen, but Anna, it's a very empty feeling. We are hungry to see feeling working with you. Thank you for the love and support. Now, coming to Toxic. Toxic Padam is a result of great ambition, bold vision, extreme hard work, மற்றும் extraordinary performances. இந்த படம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி we were looking at some references for these cars, guns, sets, the characters, the costumes. And we didn't find any rule book, framework, or any references. Adakana we had to make our own path. And I'm sure with all your support and God's grace, this will also become path-breaking film. And our director, she looks very simple. Anna, she is a Bhayankaramana taskmaster. She wants what she wants. It takes a special someone to handle chaos on one hand and craft it into beauty with the other. Thank you for imagining a beautiful, unique, and distinctive world, director. And you executed, not only told, executed it to the T. I'm sure this film will set a benchmark, and your work will motivate, inspire, not just the woman who wants to achieve greatness in their respective fields, but also inspire entire filmmaking community. Also want to thank the amazing star cast that we have. Mr. Akshay Oberoi, Mr. Sudeep, and Mr. Balaji, who was not here. I want to thank Vignesh Shivan sir for giving extraordinary lyrics for all the songs. Vishal Mishra, our music director, is not here, but he made songs sound original in every language. You don't feel them to be dubbed. You don't feel that they are dubbed. I want to thank entire technician team, DOP sir, Rajiv sir, Sandy, who is one among us, who has actually worked extremely hard to make every frame look beautiful. And the extremely talented star cast, Nayanthara madam, she's our presence is enough. It'll elevate the scene. It'll add weightage to the scene. She has her own aura that she brings into every aspect or every frame she is present in. Thank you, madam. Kiera, madam, thank you. I know you are so committed to the film during the last few days of shoot when you are carrying. In spite of that, you delivered mesmerizing performances. And especially, I think the shot that you see on the ring was then. Thank you for the commitment. Thank you for being part of the film. You look stunning. I know after the release, you'll get a lot more love for what the work that you have done. Rukmini madam, thank you. You're so humble, you're so simple, so grounded. Everybody can relate to you, and yet so hardworking. Very happy that you are part of this film. And Huma madam, you have seen her smile on the screen. So it looks so scary, but she is very nice as a person. Thank you for being part of the movie, madam. And last but not the least, if you have excellent team in place, you have good HODs for every department. We have one headmaster also. So we have a craftsman and we have a master craftsman. People, when they do work, they look at in their work some X factor. We look at Y factor. That's called yes factor. That you can see in every frame, every moment, every scene, every action. He has played multiple roles. When I was wanting to in this movie, every role is intense, differentiating, and unique. Yet he performed in outstanding way. When I wanted to speak, our SR பத்தி என்ன பேசணும் பேசுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப இருக்கு. So I divided into each event I should speak little by little. He has given everything that he has got to this film. And sir, your hard work and your vision is inspiration to many in this generation. What an extraordinary journey. Normally, if you make 10 films, one film will become milestone. For you, all 10 films are milestones. Not all 10, maybe all 19, including this. Tell in whatever they are doing, it means a lot. I know you look for in everything that you do, how to excel, how to explore new ways of doing, or new ways of putting together, or conceiving that scene and executing. You want to expand the boundaries and set in your benchmarks. You need to have that courage to dream and hard work and willingness to work to turn dreams into reality. Thank you so much, sir. It has been a pleasurable journey working with you during the Toxic. Thank you for collaboration. And before I conclude, I want to tell you, Toxic or Padam Matrumila, it's a feeling. Toxic is an emotion. Toxic is a different world by itself. We welcome you all to the world of Toxic on 26/8/26. Looking forward to seeing all of you in theaters. Thank you. Rumba Nandri. Vanakkam. See you all soon.
சூப்பர் கிரேட் சார். ஏன்னா ஒரு மாசான ஹீரோ பார்த்துருக்கோம், மாசான ஹீரோயின் பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஒரு மாசான ப்ரொடியூசர் எங்களுக்காக கிடைச்சிருக்காங்க தமிழ் சினிமால. ஒரு
Thank you all for the birthday wishes. Sweet of you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
கிரேட் சார். ஜனநாயகன் பிளாக் பஸ்டர் எப்படி ஆச்சோ, இன்னும் 2 days to go டாக்ஸிக் வேர்ல்டுக்குள்ள நாங்க இணையறதுக்காக எல்லாருமே வெரி ஹாப்பியா இருக்கோம் சார். இதுவும் பிளாக் பஸ்டர் ஹிட் ஆக போகுது, அதுல எந்தவித சந்தேகமும்